Hey fine babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominica, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. In today's video, we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks for the beginners and also anyone that loves to wear wigs on how you want to make sure your wig is looking flawless, effortless, natural, like chic, so that when you step out of your house, you look confidently beautiful as you step out of your house and looking good. So without further ado, let's head straight into the video. So trick or tip number one, you want to have a very flat, firm foundation. Okay, now some people are bald, some people have natural hair, some people have relaxed hair, some people have low hair. Whichever it is, let's say you have big natural hair, right? You really want to cornrow it by yourself or go to a professional, or your sister, your mother, whoever is able to cornrow the hair for you so that it is laying flat. We don't want your wigs to be looking like a helmet. Okay, in 2024 we don't need your wigs to be looking like a helmet. We need it for it to look as natural, as flawless as possible as it can possibly be. All right, and sometimes if your hair is texturized, it's easy for you to just slick it all the way back and have it in the low bun, or you can literally just comb it down. Or if your hair is like you have short hair, low cut, that's fine as well. But you don't want to just take your wig and just put it on like that without it having a flat foundation to wear your wig on. All right, that's tip number one. Tip number two, okay, you will need at least a wig cap. Now this is optional, but it's personal preference, okay, and that's why I'm putting it here. So the second thing is you need a wig cap. Now I've seen over the years people use black wig caps, and I have used black wig cap before. That was long time ago. I don't know why people still use black wig cap, but if it's working for you, no shade, no shame. If it's working for you, that's what you want to keep doing, by all means keep going. Personally, we are evolving, everything is changing, and right now we're in the era of HD wig cap. You see how literally how transparent I can say it is. If you can find a wig cap close to your skin shade, that is good. But this one, the reason why we have an HD wig cap right now, which by the way comes in every wig purchase that you do with us, and you wear your wig cap. Let me wear my wig cap, because most of, like 90% of the time I wear my wig cap. And if you're one that don't also like to wear wig cap, just like to wear your wig as it is, that's fine. Like, there's no wrong or right way, okay? See that? So I have my wig cap on. It's very transparent, as you can see. Now the next thing you're going to need, okay, and it goes hand in gloves, is making sure that you use the correct shade, foundation shade, right? You want to make sure that, because nowadays you either have a transparent lace or you have an HD lace, and most of the times the HD lace, depending on your skin tone, might be white. So you want to make sure you have your foundation shade that is your skin color or close to your skin color. And you all know, every video we have Ruby Kisses foundation skin shade. This is all I use. You can use a what is that thing called, lace tint, right? You can use a lace tint, which it's also very good. I have it, I used to use it, but I found this way easier for me. Okay, use whichever one it is, be it a lace tint or a foundation shade, or this one. Use something that is going to match your skin tone. Now I'm a level 15 on this one, and I try and use the darker shade in here, and you apply that on your wig and your wig cap, okay, so that it has it matches your skin color.
Like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no.
Okay, and now also, what also goes hand in glove with your skin perfect skin color foundation is also making sure that your wig, your knots are bleached. Okay, the lace on your wig is bleached. All wigs from Wiglistic D, literally all wigs from Wiglistic D comes with bleached knot and plucked hairlines, and that gives you a flawless and natural finish. Your wig cannot be looking like, even nowadays, synthetic wigs, the ladies wear synthetic wigs and you think it's their hair just because of the way they finesse it. They're able to pluck the hairlines, apply some foundation shade, and it looks so good. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's a synthetic wig or it's a human hair wig or it's raw wig, whatever one it is. All you need to do is make sure that the lace is tinted, the lace is bleached, and the hairline is plucked. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and you can now go ahead and apply that same foundation shade on your wig. Okay, apply it on your lace. Just the same thing.
Like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, what's we do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move.
This is how it's going to look like. Now, first we make sure our foundation is flat, be it you cornrowing your hair or slicking it down, whichever one, make sure it is flat. Second of all, you want to make sure you have a wig cap on that is matching your skin tone, and that can help with you applying your foundation shade or your or lace tint. And you do that both on your cap and both on your wig cap and your lace. Third of all, you want to make sure, let's say you buy a wig, be it from us. If you want us to cut the lace for you, we can cut the lace for you. If you can do it, you can do it. I'll have a little snippet on how to cut your lace. And when you do cut your lace, this is tip number 4. When you cut your lace, my sisters, you want to go in a zigzag motion. That doesn't give you like a straight hairline, because nobody's hairline is straight. It doesn't give you a straight hairline. So when cutting it in a zigzag motion, gives you that like natural hairline. It doesn't look like as if it's a square box you're having on. Okay, you see, this is very glueless. And all you can also do, you just apply, either you can apply some mousse on it, or if you look up and you think you can tweak it a little bit and apply a little bit more of your foundation shade to make sure it perfectly matches you, you will look and tell and see how that works for you. And also you can use hairspray, glue, mousse, whichever tool way you want to install your wig. But our wigs, you can glue them or you can wear them glueless, but you have to follow these tricks I'm telling you to be able to wear your wigs glueless. And our wigs come with an adjustable elastic band that helps make sure your wig is very secured, you know, no moving around. It's not bigger than your head, it's not smaller than your head size, because that also gives you that great fit or that flawless looking natural wig. Because sometimes some people, their wigs are big and you have it on and you have some bumps and lumps and all of that, you know, or sometimes the wig is small and you wear it and your lace is all the way at the back of your head and you wonder why is this wig not fitting, because baby girl is small. Okay, now what do you need? First, you need a flat foundation, which can either be you contouring your hair, you slicking down your hair, whichever one it is, but your foundation needs to be flat so your wig can look very, very flat. Second thing, you need a wig cap. Now, as I said earlier, it might be optional to you, personal preference. I use one. And third thing, you want to make sure that the lace on your wig is bleached, which gives you that natural hair color. And also to make sure that you tint the lace on your wig and on your wig cap. That gives you your skin color. Okay, it makes it look natural. It makes the wig look effortlessly. It makes the wig look blend with your skin. It doesn't look wiggy. Because in 2024 we are not wearing wigs and we're going outside and somebody can tell from afar that it's a wig. Yes, when they come closer to you, they're gonna know it's a wig. But from afar, and they can tell you're putting on a wig, that's a no. That's a no. Okay. Number four, you want to make sure that when you're cutting the lace on your wigs, you cut it in a zigzag motion. We don't want a straight cut and it's looking like a box matches. Okay? Right? And number five, okay? Number five, you want to make sure that your wig is flat. Okay, you can have a flat foundation. You can wear you can have a flat foundation. You can wear your wig cap. You can tint the lace on your wig. You can bleach the knot on your lace. And if you don't use a hot comb and put the wig flat like this, my sisters, you're still gonna be looking like a Humpty Dumpty. It's still gonna look like you have a helmet on your head, and we don't want that. Alright, fine babes, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. We truly appreciate the love, the support, the comments. Please don't forget to leave a like, a share, a comment, subscribe, all them good stuff. You know the gist. Please don't forget to do that, because that's how we get where we are going. Okay, so yes, thank you and see you in my next video. Hopefully you learned one or two things, and you can also share any extra tips or tricks that you want your girlies to learn. You can share that in the description below. All right, so thank you and have a great and blessed week ahead of you.